Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. What you're looking at is a Marx 21 motor, and I got this thing some time ago. I got it repaired. It was actually fairly badly damaged. I had to replace the brush plate. You see I've got it spliced right there. I had to replace the contactor, and the tab and slot coupler was folded down, touching the track. Anyway, this thing was a wreck when it arrived. Let me turn the power on. And I just installed the wheel covers with wire ties for now to see if they would fit, and they do. So this is a double reduction motor, basically the same design as the steam motor, but laid out differently. Uses different gears, of course, as you see. Anyway, this motor is up and running. Let's go ahead and take it around. As you see, it runs well, plenty of power. Working E-unit. It's running really, really well, in fact. Considering it was made entirely out of junk. I mean, this thing was junk when it arrived. No doubt about that. As you see, runs well, and I've got a 21 right here, in fact. Same motor in it. This is a big tin litho diesel. I very rarely run this. But in any case, that's the same motor that is on the outside rail now. So I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. If anyone needs a Marx 21 motor in good running condition, feel free to drop me an email. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.